Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and with the Heritage Edition package, or Heritage Appearance package, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And with the Heritage Edition, or Appearance package, you get the sort of main body stripe with the other paint for the lower and upper. So you have race red with carbonized gray on the bottom and top. Gives a nice contrast, very poppy. And the F-150 lettering also being done in the carbonized gray. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. Also having the sort of Heritage package accents in the seat. And then you have two cup holders in the middle with a 12 volt USB and USB-C and 120 volt power outlet. This truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the vehicle they're running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and then your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. Above that, you have your camera view again with your forward-facing camera, hazards, traction control shutoff. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet. Down below, you have this bin with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space, and so that you can unfold your interior work surface. So if you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And before I forget, being the Heritage Appearance package, you also get something here on the armrest. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested in a brand new truck with a bit of a retro twist, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.